Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Mango Lassi. In a bowl or mixer jar, add 2 mangoes, 1 cup yogurt, 1/4 cup milk, 2 tablespoons sugar. You can also add ice cubes here. Blend well until smooth. Scrape the sides and mix well. Keep in the refrigerator until chilled. Pour chilled thick Mango Lassi into the glasses. It's time to make mango rosettes. They are totally optional. Instead, you can add mango cubes. Let me show you how to make rosette. Take 1 mango and peel it. Cut the mango slices. You'll get 1 rosette from 1 slice. Cut thinly slices as shown. Remove the sides. Spread as shown. Start folding inwards. Mango rosette is ready to garnish. Place on chilled Mango Lassi. Garnish with pistachio, mint leaves, saffron. Serve chilled. Do try this super delicious thick Mango Lassi recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.